Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating and highly complex process behind how professional Kevlar body armor is made. Before we begin, it is crucial to state that this is for educational purposes only. Manufacturing your own body armor is incredibly dangerous, likely illegal where you live, and will not result in a safe or effective product. This is a process that requires specialized industrial machinery, controlled materials, and rigorous scientific testing that cannot be replicated at home. With that vital safety warning understood, let's dive into the science. The process begins not with a fabric, but with a chemical reaction to create a material called a polyamide synthetic fiber, with Kevlar being the most famous brand name. This chemical process results in a liquid crystalline solution that is then forced through a spinneret, which is like a tiny sieve, to form long, thin, and incredibly strong solid fibers. These fibers have a molecular structure that gives them immense tensile strength, 5 times stronger than steel on an equal weight basis. Next, these golden yellow fibers are spun into a yarn, which is then woven into a dense, tight fabric on massive industrial looms. The specific weave pattern is critical, as it's designed to maximize the fabric's ability to spread the energy of an impact across a wider area. A single layer of this fabric isn't enough to stop a bullet, so the third step is layering. Many layers, sometimes dozens, of this woven aramid fabric are carefully stacked on top of each other. These layers are often coated or impregnated with a special resin and then subjected to high pressure and heat. This process bonds the layers together into a unified ballistic panel, which is stiff yet has some flexibility. This panel is what does the real work of catching a projectile by deforming and absorbing its kinetic energy. Once the ballistic panel is formed, it must be cut into the specific shapes needed for a vest, a process done with high-powered lasers or water jets to ensure clean, precise edges without fraying the tough fibers. Finally, these finished ballistic panels are inserted into a custom-sewn outer shell, called a carrier, which is typically made from a durable fabric like nylon. The carrier holds the panels in place against the body and includes straps for a secure fit. The most important step of all is testing. Samples from each batch are sent to a ballistic lab and are tested against specific ammunition types to certify they meet strict performance standards, like those set by the National Institute of Justice. As you can see, it is a precise, multi-stage industrial process from chemical creation to final testing. Thank you so much for watching and learning about this amazing technology with us. If you found this look into materials science and engineering interesting, please consider supporting the channel by liking this video and subscribing for more content. Your support helps us continue to explore these incredible topics. Stay safe and stay curious.